Yeah, how fat is that? Frickin' Derpin' Dots machine.
How much did this monstrosity cost?
I'm telling you, man, in the future, everybody's gonna be eating futuristic ice cream.
Gonna ask you one more time. How much did this cost?
$16,000, that's it.
16,000? Where did you eat? You better return that thing right now!
You know, Dad, it wouldn't hurt to at least say you're proud of your son for setting up a liquid nitrogen thermal chamber by himself without even reading the instructions.
What the hell is
Ah! Damn it, Dad.
I'm gonna kill you. How the hell are we gonna pay for